How to make Spotify playlist public. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to make your playlist public on Spotify, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up Spotify into your device first and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the option that says your library in the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, your library opens up. Now from your library, you can head over to the option called playlist at the top. This one right here. Tap on it, and when you do, your playlist appears. So what you're gonna do is head over to the playlist that you wanna make public. For example, this one right here. After you reach over to the playlist, you should be finding a 3 dot in your playlist, this section right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you need to scroll down from the given menu, and when you scroll down, you should be finding an option called make public. This one right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, your playlist should be public. So that is it. That is how you make your Spotify playlist public. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.